Can you greet each other great day? Yeah, you know, every time we say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, why not say great day? So every day will be a great day, right? First of all, I would like to congratulate my good friend and my brother, Mac Lorendo, for organizing this event. And thank you for coming. By the way, I'm Pochola de Leon Gonzalez, also known as the Voice Master. Why? Because I'm the man behind 1,000 voices. I'm the one who teach almost 90% of dubbers, voice talents, even DJs in this country. So if you Google who's the best Filipino voice talent, you can try it. No, it's not me telling you, it's Google actually. Anyway, why Voice Master? Because I believe our voice is like magic. Do you believe so? And the voice, much like magic, it holds an extraordinary power to captivate, transform, and inspire. Because I'm also a motivational speaker. I've been traveling around the country and around the world, motivating especially the young people. Just as a magician enchants their audience with spells and illusions, right? A skilled voice artist waves enchantment through sound, bringing stories to life and stirring emotions. The voice can cast a spell of calm, excitement, or awe, transporting listeners to different worlds and realities. Both voice and magic rely on the art of delivery, timing, and deep understanding of human nature to create moments of wonder and connection. So this is a night to connect with each other, right? And this is the first time that will happen. I don't think something like this is happening around the world. Anyway, in this way, the voice is a conduit of magic, making the impossible seem possible and turning ordinary into extraordinary. So, do you want to hear some voices? Yeah. Okay, I can do hundreds, but I will only do like 10 voices. Okay, can you close your eyes? Okay. You know, when I was young, we don't have a TV, so the only means of entertainment that I have is radio. So I listen to a radio drama called Kabinang Lagim. To our foreigner friends, please excuse me because I'm going to do this in Filipino. So close your eyes and count 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isang gabi ng lagim. Si Totoy at si Lolo Tasyo ay naligaw sa magupa.
Ha? Lolo Tasyo, pasensya na ha. Ang sarap kasi maglaro sa pool.
Ay, naku, sabi ko naman sa'yo ako eh. Huwag ka maglaro dyan. Yan tuloy, kinabitan.
Ha? Lolo, may gumagalaw. Lolo, naging monster yung puno.
Kakainin ko kayo.
Ayan, patay na sila. Kinain. I can do a lot of voices like SpongeBob characters. You want to hear? Yeah! Okay, again, count 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Next man, Patrick, I'm SpongeBob. Hey, ta!
Hello, you SpongeBob. My name is Pat.
Hey, shut up, SpongeBob. Hey, my name is Mr. Krabs. Hey, hey, hey.
I love you, you love me. You know, I'm also a voice director, dubbing director. I have done thousands of commercials. One of the most famous commercials in the Philippines is Bibo Hot Dog. Did you know that I am the man behind the voices of the puppets? It sounds like this.
Bibo, Bibo.
Anong sikreto ng parang Bibo?
Tikman mo.
Paano? Bakit ako eh? And many more. Anyway, this is not about voice acting. This is all about a night of magic. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much and have a nice day. Great day, everyone.